Hello, anime dude here. Really bored. Right. What time is it now? Wait. It's 12 or 1. I don't know. Here's my Pokemon card collection. Something. Not really. It's extra cards. Here's one rare. Rare. No, uncommon to. It's uncommon. Uncommon, rare. Of course, it's rare. Rare, rare holo, super fake. I wish you can't see that. Japanese. Wow. Rare. God, stop reflecting. Rare. Uncommon. Japanese. I don't know. Rare. Or fake. Here's my other Japanese cards. Japanese. Sit. Really bored. Ooh. No, rare. No. Yes, it's my bed. Kinda. Yeah. More stuff. More Pokemon. Yu-Gi-Oh! Jinx.